So we'll need to cut a tenon on both ends, because at some point we're going to have it in two pieces. I'm gonna part it right there. After I get so far, I go, this one's half the thickness of that one. I got a little more room there. Now I'm gonna slow it down. Just about ready to go through it. Okay, that's simple enough. Now I got two pieces to work out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this off, lay it aside, and then what I can do, I can Carter and Sons Tool Works. This is the thread chaser. These are the inside, this is the outside. Start at an angle. I'm going to keep it flat on the tool rack. What I done today is made a little old box on the lathe. I know it's not square. But what I did, I cut me some threads for the top to be screwed on. That's the first time I'm trying to do anything like that. I come down here and decide to work on it. I went just a tick too far. You see where it was about that far, too far. Look at the green matchup. That was a pretty good little old deal right there. This one right here, I put me some, I guess I need to get me some hardwood. It did not go as well. It did not go. I think once you get too small, you're too small. It's hard to put wood back on. But anyway, this one turned out good though. Yeah, I may give it another try. That's a pretty good trick right there. Someone can't get the top off, and they're thinking it needs to pull off. And kind of fine threaded. But anyway, just thought I'd do a shop talk, playing with the lathe. Going to get started on, I don't know, I don't know what I'm gonna need to do next. Work with the CNC a little bit. I got these dovetail sliders. Thought I would try this piece. And actually can cut a little bigger than that. But micro jig, I think, yeah, there it is. Micro jig, little 14-degree dovetail. Yeah, I worked on that. Yeah, I worked on that. These little threads, they're pretty cool actually. Make a good conversation piece. If they ain't figured out it was threaded, what you do, you put $100 bill in that thing and see who can get to it first. So, ho, sure been hot. Sure been hot. I just thought I'd, don't know what project I'm gonna do next. Ain't nothing come to me. I've been doing some jigs and stuff with the table saw and little tricks. Had one video do real good. So I don't know. I have to study about it. The weekend's here. We're gonna go grill us some hamburgers and kick back, enjoy the weekend. Yeah, when you get Friday at 2:40 in the evening, if you hadn't got her done by now, I ain't, since we're worrying about it now, we'll just pick it up next week, I guess. But anyway, I guess I'll leave that with you. I don't know. I was going to fire up there, and I just kind of drew a blank. I ain't been catching coons. Coons getting in my chickens. I've done trapped 3 of them, and I got a guy that I used to work with that trains coon dogs. So I let him have them so where he can do his training. So I've given 3 this week. Yeah. So maybe they'll leave my chickens alone. I tell you, coons likes that chicken. But I tell you what, most animals in the forest, foxes, coons, dogs. You got dogs that's ever eat a chicken, you can't stop them from it. They got that taste. And just so many things that chicken is on their diet, if you know what I mean. Possums ain't had much trouble with it. They'll get in the eggs, eat the feed. But them daggum coons, they're tough if you're trying to raise chickens. Well, I tell you what, I will catch you on the next, and maybe next week I can come up with some more to talk about. But I'm gonna perfect them threads right there. It's the first time I've done it. That one right there was a failure. Didn't turn out bad at all. So until the next time, I'll catch y'all then, and y'all be safe.